How to make Google your default password manager in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy. Scroll down, click on more security settings. Now here you will see passwords, passkey and autofill. Now click on password, passkey and autofill. Now click on setting. Now here you will see Samsung Pass, Google None. And if you want to make Google your default password manager, then click on Google. After click on Google, make sure you trust this app. Google will be able to see what's on your screen in all apps to determine what can be filled in automatically. Now click on OK. After click on OK, make Google your default password manager from your phone. This is how you can make Google your default password manager in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.